Now I'd like to introduce you to box multiplication. This technique is designed just to help people, or if your child is having trouble organizing numbers during multiplication, all right? You can pick any size numbers and it works. I'm just going to throw a couple numbers out at random and show you how to set up the box, and then it's a very simple technique to always getting the right answer, and it does the organization of numbers at the same time. It's really cool how it works. Let's take 32. Well, I'm going to put it over here for you. 32 times 16. All right? Now, instead of doing it any of the ways that I've shown you so far in this program, I'm going to set up a little box here. And the box is going to be split up into 2 by 2, like this, because there's two two-digit numbers. If it was two three-digit numbers, you'd extend it out this way and draw a line, or if it's 4 by 3, whatever, just make the box accordingly. All right? But now, we're doing 32 times 16. What I do is I put the numbers on top and on the side. 32 times 16. Then, draw a line through each box diagonally to cut it in half. And you can see how this cuts in half, and this cuts in half. Now you have a cool-looking box, 32 times 16, and all you have to do now is multiply the numbers into the box that they meet at. So let's start right here. What's 2 times 1? The answer is 2. But now where do you put it in the box? Here's how it works. The bottom right is for the ones, and this is for the tens. The bottom is for the ones, the top is for the tens. That's all you have to remember. So 2 times 1 is 2, so the 2 is going to go in the bottom of the box. All right, now the next one is 2 times 6 is 12. So now you got 2 times 6 is 12, 1 and 2. You draw it like this. 1 goes in the top, 2 goes in the bottom. There's your 12, that's your tens, that's your ones. Next is 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Top or bottom, where do you think it should go? It should go in the bottom because it's just the ones. And the last part is 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So we draw it into the box 1, 8, 18, 10, and 8. That's it. Now, to get the answer, here's all you have to do. Is just look at the numbers inside the box. Forget these are here now. Just look at the numbers inside the box, and we're going to add them up diagonally, and it'll give you the answer. Right here, all you have is a 2. So you put a little 2 here. Look at between these lines. You have a 2, a 1, and an 8. What's 2 plus 1? 3. Add 8 more. What do you get? 11. You draw a 1, and you carry 1 to the next line. Now add these up in this line. You see a 3, a 1, and a 1. What's 3 plus 1 plus 1? 5. There's that. And that's the answer. 512 is the answer to 32 times 16. Now go into your exercise workbook, practice this a couple times with two-digit numbers first, then move up to 2 by 3, 3 by 3, as high as you want to go. But every time you'll see that it organizes your numbers, and you always get the answer along the bottom. Give it a try.